Just stepped out from the library door into the garden. A few little flowers there. This is the windows at the back of the library. And you can see the water connections here. We've got 2 timers and several lines that are buried. We buried them underground, and they go off to the various little flower plots that we've got scattered around here. Underneath the windows here, we're going to build a platform feeder. Peanuts, sunflower seeds, and it'll be right at the window, so everyone can have a good look at the birds as they come and feed. We put in this drip system here. If you can see this or not, but there's a little bit of a very slow drip that comes off this. You see the ripples in the water as it hits. The birds just love this. Yesterday we had black-crested titmice here in the water. We had green jays in the water. We had golden-fronted woodpecker in the water and hooded oriole in the water. They love this water system. We've got a southern butterfly weed that we planted around the perimeter of the water feature here. Hopefully that'll attract a lot of butterflies. We've got some plants in here. Of course, this is in a shaded area because of this tree. You see it extends out over part of the garden. A few more plants there that have to be put in the ground yet. We'll do that this afternoon. And this is the fence here where the dog run. There's my dog Abby outside the fence. She's actually in the dog run. And we've got all these plants. They're all doing pretty good. Of course, they're going to get a lot taller. Things grow like crazy down here. And I expect next year when I come, some of these plants will be about as tall as I am. And makes for an interesting garden, I think. I still have a line back here. You can see where I dug this trench yesterday, and I've got a soaker hose that extends through it. And this afternoon I'm going to bury the soaker hose, and then I've got some plants, those ones over there that I was showing you that I'm going to plant here along the fence. Some of them are climbers, and what we want to do is try to have this fence just covered with vines and climbers with lots of flowers, and we're looking forward to that. We've got a couple of shepherd hooks that we're going to put back here behind the water feature. Probably put one right about in here, and another one right about here. And we'll have probably 2 hummingbird feeders. We'll have some suet cakes hanging here, and some fruit, apples, oranges, grapefruit. Birds just love fruit. They eat it like so fast down here. Anyway, that's the little tour of the garden, and we'll see how it turns out as time goes by. But I'm very happy with the way everything looks right now.